How's it going, everyone? We hope you enjoyed what we brought to you in 2019. Whoa! 2020 is here and we're stoked. We will continue to travel across the country to meet you guys one-on-one. We have noticed that some of you guys are working really hard on your builds, and we cannot wait to feature you on our channel.
My name's Dustin, I'm the co-founder and co-owner of Dirt King Fabrication.
Alright guys, I'm here with Brad, him and his father. They're the masterminds behind this beast here. With Bernie, known as Milk Tea Tacoma on Instagram. Incredible Tacoma. On Instagram, he's called the Smurf Runner. Do you have a name for your truck?
Her name's Elizabeth.
Elizabeth?
Yeah.
Right next to me I have Scott, and behind us is his beast. And today we're gonna send it.
No matter where you are, we will fly, drive, and do whatever it takes to tell your story.
We gotta hit Utah. It's, what time is it? It's 10:14, and we have a 29-hour drive to go.
We're about to cross into the border of Idaho.
We just finished crossing the Mexican border, and we're on our way Ensenada for the Baja 400, baby. Throughout this year, we'll be taking on a number of challenges.
This truck is gonna go from a basically bone stock truck to a fully built off-road capable machine. From installations to events to build walkarounds and our favorite off-road adventures.
Today we're going to be installing our 2.0 adjustable bolt-on bump stop kit.
Here we're going to be showing you how to install Expedition Essentials power accessory mount. Let us know what you would like to see. Is it a specific install, an event? Is it your rig? Let's go on an adventure. Let's make it happen.
Bingo! Overnight! It's done!
All of this would not be possible if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you for following along. We promise to do our best to document what is to come.
Well, more excited than scared, for sure. Can't wait to see what it'll look like.